Well, President Donald Trump said Friday, February 20th, that he was going to use Section 122 of the 1974 Trade Act. Now, this allows him to hit the world with a 10% tariff. But under this law, that duty can only stay in place for 150 days unless he gets Congress to vote and extend it. This was after the Supreme Court that morning said that Trump couldn't use his favorite tool to hit the world with tariffs. That's the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. He used that for his Liberation Day tariffs against most countries, and then his fentanyl-related tariffs against Canada, Mexico, and China. There's still a lot we don't know about this new 10% global tariff. Under the fentanyl-related tariffs that the Supreme Court just shut down, Canada largely had exemptions. So while it was a 35% tariff, it only hit goods that were not compliant under the Canada-US-Mexico Agreement on Trade. Now, this new 10% tariff, it's not clear yet whether there'll be that exemption, so it could actually hit a wider range of Canadian goods. And the other issue with it is we're not sure how it works with other tariffs that Trump has on Canada. So while the Supreme Court shut down the fentanyl tariffs, the tariffs that are still in place are those Section 232 separate sectoral tariffs. And those are the ones that are really hammering Canadian steel, aluminum, automobiles, lumber, cabinetry, just a wide range of goods that come from Canada. So this new 10% tariff could maybe stack on top of those. So we still don't know. The reaction was a semblance of relief, I think, for a little bit from countries that are facing tariffs, especially certain countries that are facing really high tariffs and that have changed constantly. There was a sense of relief that maybe the tariffs won't change hour to hour, day to day anymore. But nobody believed that the tariffs were going to go away. So now there's this sense that, okay, this one tool is knocked off, but what are the next tools that are in play that Trump is going to keep using to hit the world with these different levels of duties?